Hi, welcome to my studio. Today we are going to talking about how to work with essential graphics inside Adobe After Effects and how to export these essential graphics to Premiere Pro. The Essential Graphics panel is a powerful tool for creating customizable motion graphics templates that can be easily edited in Premiere Pro without opening After Effects, and it also streamlines workflows within After Effects by exposing key properties like text, color, images, or scale, fostering better collaboration and faster revisions. Let's get into the video. For this, I have taken simple name band animation with photos. Name band, which has fill and stroke, and also simple scale animation. Then we have image and image mask, and also the image stroke. Also two name, one is title and designation. Now we can see how to give control in Essential Graphics. Go to Window and select Essential Graphics. In the primary, select the comp, which we want to give control. I am selecting Main Comp. Then click on Set Poster Time. This works like a thumbnail. First, we will start from name band. In the rectangle path, select size, switch off the link so that we can scale individually X and Y. Drag size and put it in a Sentinel graphics program. Also the position, then also the roundness, stroke color, and fill color also. Now test it, change the parameter in a Sentinel graphics program. We can see the changes in output. Now select Add Group, put all the control in this group and rename the group to your need. Same like that, do it for the image. Drag the image to the Sentinel graphics program and also the scale and position. Do the same thing to image stroke. Now for the text. In the text layer, select the source text and drag to the Sentinel graphics program. In the edit properties, select all the properties. Same like that, do it for other text also. Click on Export Motion Graphics Template. It will ask to save the file, click on Save. By default, the file will save in Local Templates folder. If you want to save in your folder, browse it and save. Make a new comp. Import the main comp in it. In the main comp property, we can see new property called Essential Properties. Here we can see all the controls where we given in the Essential Graphics. And also we can see on the right side of the screen, we can change the color, name, and images. By this, we can copy many number of copy and make your changes. Without changing the main comp, this is the main advantage of a Sentinel graphics. Now we can see how this graphics template works in Adobe Premiere Pro. I have taken this video as background. I have to add name band in it. Go to Graphics Template, drag, and place it in your timeline. play the sequence, you can see the name band animation. To change the parameter, go to Properties. We can see all the parameters. Now start changing the parameters according to your needs, without going to After Effects. You can have multiple numbers of copies to your project. If this video was helpful, don't forget to leave thumbs up. My name is Benny William, and until next time, I hope you're out there living a life of abundance. Bye.